Hi everyone, my name is Chandradeep Anand, and in this video we will be covering the introduction of Palantir Foundry and the navigation. So right now we are at the home page of Palantir Foundry. Mainly the Palantir Foundry is divided into two parts. To the left is the navigation part, and center and right combined is our working space. Let's see the navigation part. In the navigation part we have an option of this collapsible button. Let me expand. You will see many options like home button, then search button. Search button is kind of where user can search for any datasets, any objects, any projects, etc. Notification, as the name is suggesting, whenever any build or any dataset, anything related to notifications are there, you will get that details here. What's new category will tell you what's new is coming in Palantir Foundry. Right now they are upgrading the Palantir Foundry on a regular basis, so all those data you will get here. Recent button will give you an idea of those datasets or applications that you have recently used for your work. Then under file section you will get all the files related to your projects, folders, etc. Right now the file section is empty for this instance because we haven't created anything. So going forward in our coming videos, when we will create any project, I will explain how to create those projects and folder, etc. Under application you will see all the services and applications which are currently available in Palantir Foundry. So in this one you can see the applications are further grouped into categories like administration category. Under that we have control panel, resource management. Then we have analytics and operations category. Inside that we have contour, we have fusion sheets. Then we have quiver. Quiver is mainly used for time series data representation. You can use to plot certain charts, etc. Notepad we have to create reportings, etc. Don't worry if you're not getting anything right now, please be with me. I'll be explaining majorly like most of these applications in my coming videos. Coming to our application development, so you have a lot of applications development services available right now, but majorly people uses this workshop. This is to create dynamic dashboards for end users. Then data integration. Within data integration we have code repository. Someone who is too technical, okay, they have a knowledge of Python, PySpark, SQL, Java, TypeScript, they want to write code, so they can use this service. Then we have data connection service. Data connection service is basically used to connect any external systems like ERP systems. Then we have legacy systems available, Excel files stored at any so and so cloud, etc. Those kind of data can be fetched to Palantir Foundry using this service. Then we have something like Jupyter. So let's say someone is more familiar with working on notepad kind of style, so they can leverage this Jupyter service. Then we have pipeline builder option. A majority of the business analytics persons do not understand coding a lot, so for them, but they have basic understanding of how things works, so they can use this pipeline builder to create business ready solutions in no time. Okay, it's kind of a drag and drop. Then we have Art Studio, Visual Studio Code, again for those technical guys. Under developer toolkit, under developer toolchain, we have developer console and marketplace. Then Foundry also have an option of models of applications like AIP. What is AIP? AIP is nothing but Foundry's artificial intelligence service, okay, where user can create their own models. They can use existing models like ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. They have model catalog as well, which is used to kick off model backed workflows. Okay, a lot of service. So ontology, related to ontology, what is ontology we'll be discussing in coming videos, but for the time being just understand it is the backbone of Palantir Foundry. Anything and everything here is ontology. So if you want to understand what a particular ontology is, or you want to know more about a certain ontology, so you have this service called ontology manager, where you can go and manage those ontologies, what write back data sets should be, or let's say what kind of categorization you want to perform, or like a lot of things. We'll be discussing more on that. But you want to understand ontology, you have this service. You want to understand the object within that ontology, you have object explorer there. Then security and governance and support. So these are certain services which is currently available in Palantir Foundry for the user. Let me close this window. At bottom we have AIP assistant right now, which will allow you to understand any business logic or the pipeline. If you're not getting, you can use AIP assist. This is an artificial intelligence backed knowledge. Then we have support. This is very useful. You do not know any service, or you do not know any particular action that is available, then you can easily go to support and then this platform documentation. Okay, there you can search for that term, and obviously you will get some knowledge about that service or that particular application. Then you can also go for training for any specific application. If you want to understand from the basic, you can go and follow these trainings materials as well. And finally at the bottom, it's your account related to whatever instance that you are currently using, etc. So this is about the Palantir Foundry introduction and navigation we have covered. Please stay tuned. In next video we will be discussing more about how to analyze the dataset, how to find some informations from those datasets and create ontologies. So see you in next video. Thank you so much.